How to file taxes using Drake software. Install Drake tax software on your computer and open it. Enter your license information and complete the firm and preparer setup. Create a new tax return and select the correct tax year. Enter the taxpayer's personal information including name, address, and social security number. Input all income details such as W-2s, 109s, and other sources. Enter deductions and credits that apply to the taxpayer. Check any estimated tax payments or other payments made during the year. Calculate the return to check for errors and ensure totals are correct. Review all forms carefully to make sure the information is accurate. Correct any red messages or errors highlighted by the software. Select the returns you want to submit for electronic filing. Go to the Transmit section and send the returns to the IRS and state agencies. Save or print the transmission confirmation report for your records. Monitor acknowledgments from the IRS and fix any rejected returns if needed. Thank you for watching.